Bangon, alipin ang buto.
May 1st, 2025. As the clock struck noon, the sun stood high over Bacolod City. Despite the heat, a determined group began to gather at Rizal Elementary School. They were members of Partido Manggagawa, workers, farmers, labor leaders, and advocates, coming together for one purpose: to speak out. From Rizal Elementary, they began their march with every step toward the Bacolod Public Plaza. They carried not just placards and banners, but years of hardship and unfulfilled promises. This was not just a routine protest. This was part of a 122-year tradition of Filipino workers standing up for their rights. Labor Day in the Philippines traces back to 1903. And yet, more than a century later, many of the same demands remain. Fair wages, job security, recognition, and dignity. Those who feed us, farmers, fisherfolk, and food producers, are some of the underpaid and overworked in the country. Many of them earn below the legal minimum wage.
Importante sa aton susudan nga kay kita nga mga obrero nagapatulo sang balas para mabuhi. Kita nga mga obrero ang nagauman sang tanan ninyo nga makita sa aton palibot. Kita nga mga obrero ang importante, ang pinaka-importante sa isa ka susudan.
They are among the first to suffer, but rarely the first to receive help. The workers knew that their fight would not be won in a day, but they also knew that silence was not an option. This is the face of Labor Day in 2025, not a celebration of the past, but a demand for a better future.
Bangon, alipin ang buto.